Wheelchairs, Shanoverseas Wheel Chair, are designed to provide mobility, comfort, and independence to individuals with limited mobility due to injury, illness, or disability. These wheelchairs are built with robust materials and advanced features to ensure safety, ease of use, and durability. They are suitable for use in hospitals, care facilities, and homes, and cater to the varying needs of users through different models, including manual and powered wheelchairs. Specifications: basic manual wheelchair. Model: Shanoverseas MW100. Frame material: high-strength steel. Seat width: 18 inches. Weight capacity: 100 kilograms. Brakes: manual push-to-lock brakes. Footrests: swing-away, detachable footrests. Armrests: fixed, padded armrests. Wheels: solid rear wheels. Swivel front casters. Foldability: foldable frame for easy storage and transport. Weight: 15 kilograms. Lightweight manual wheelchair. Model: Shanoverseas MW200. Frame material: aluminum alloy. Seat width: 16, 18, 20 inches. Options available. Weight capacity: 120 kilograms. Brakes: manual push-to-lock brakes. Footrests: swing-away, height-adjustable footrests. Armrests: removable, padded armrests. Wheels: pneumatic rear wheels, solid front casters. Foldability: lightweight and foldable for easy transport. Weight: 12 kg. Powered wheelchair. Model: Shanoverseas PW300. Motor: dual motor, 250 watts each. Battery: 24-volt 20Ah, lithium-ion. Max speed 6 km per hour. Range up to 20 km on a single charge. Seat width: 18 inches. Weight capacity: 20 kilograms. Brakes: electromagnetic brakes. Footrests: adjustable, foldable footrests. Armrests: flip-up, padded armrests. Wheels: anti-tip wheels, solid tires. Control: joystick control with multiple speed settings. Foldability: foldable for storage and transport. Weight: 30 kilograms. Uses 1. Mobility assistance. Shanoverseas wheelchairs provide essential mobility support for individuals with limited ability to walk due to physical disabilities, injuries, or medical conditions.